In this video, we are going to see more about the summary distribution of the Classilist interface, which is on the left pane in the bottom side. Now we can see in here that summary distribution has one section for each of the classes, and every section contains at most three parts. That are the false negatives, which are green, true positives, which are blue, and false positives, which are yellow. So this is called the summary distribution because it summarizes each and every class for the comparison to another class. Now we can compare in let's say in terms of false positives. We can see the maximum number of false positives belong to the class L3 and L5. So now to know the exact numbers, we can hover over them, and we can see that in class L3 the false positives are 648, and in class L5 the false positives are 656. So this summary distribution is meant to enable the user to compare the classes or one or more classes amongst themselves. And also the summary distribution, these bars are capable of generating the selections. What selections are, what they mean, we'll see in one of the further videos, but to give a gist of them, we can just click onto any of these sections and we can see most of our data vanishes. So what we have done here is we have selected this data, that is the data that belongs to L5 and has been classified as L5, that are the true positives. So we can see that this data in every other class belongs to the data which is not shown here. That is, if we just stop filtering the low true negatives, we will get to see the data. But for now, we have this data depicted here in L5, that is in true positives, and in L8 that are the true negatives. We can clear the selections from here, and to show that again, we can just stop filtering the lower TNs, and I will again select this data, and we can see that in L5 it's here as the true positives, and in every other class it is in the true negatives. Earlier we couldn't see this data in other of the classes because we have had filtered these true TNs. So this is about the summary distributions, and we'll see more about selections in further videos.